Hi, boys and girls. So today I have another story for you. This story is Eraser by Anna King. And I want you to be listening to how I change my voice again. So I hope you've been practicing that this week in your books. I can't wait to see your uploads on Flipgrid for the books that you've been reading and how you change your voice to match the characters' expressions and feelings. But when you're listening to this story today, I want you to think about what the central message is. So a central message is where the author wants the readers to learn something. What did you learn? Or what do you think the author wants to teach us? Okay. And we'll talk about that at the end of the story too. So eraser. Rub, 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 rub. Ahem. I was just, testing you. Excellent. Thanks, I guess. Thanks. I guess I'm just naturally good at math. You totally rocked that math test. Pencil's so sharp. I wish I was as cool as Cobalt. Everyone thinks Pencil and her friends are the smart and creative ones. It's not fair. And look at tape and glue. They can get anyone to stick together, even pipe cleaners and buttons. Kumbaya. We all love paper. Whenever I see you, I feel like I can do anything. And Scissors? Well, she's just kind of scary. I don't run, ever. What do I bring to the table? Nothing. I just take things away. You make everyone look good. You do an excellent job. I'm tired of being just the cleanup crew. Don't you ever feel like you're more? More what? Lunchtime is over. Everyone gather round for a science project meeting. I hear it's worth half our grade. Not you, Eraser. This is a creative meeting. Ooh, I bet that hurt her feelings. That night. Rub, rub, rub. This is going to knock their caps off. Ta-da! It's for the science project. What do you think? It's wonderful. Very modern. Uh, uh, Chew! Ugh, I'm so sorry. Eraser, I'm all clogged up. Enough with the fun and games. We have real work to do. Later that day. Looking good, everyone. Let's all take 5. Eraser, what are you doing? Helping? Eraser has one job, to clean up after me. It's not my fault she can't actually make anything. Ah, except a mess. Ah. I'm tired of being Pencil's pooper scooper. Please don't go. We need you. Are you sure, Eraser? Fire away! Sprung. Swish! Forward my mail! Whump! Ow! Sorry, dude. Eraser? Hey guys, look! It's Eraser! I'm a huge fan. I love your work. You do? Well, sure. We're all first drafts. Without us and you, there'd be nothing to hang on the fridge door. I do create. I create second chances. Mistakes make us great. Meanwhile, back on the desk. Now remember, Eraser's been gone. Oh no, I forgot to check my math homework. Here's his math homework. Hmm. Ah! This is not good. Yee-haw! A racer is back! And I brought some friends with me. Hooray! We missed you! Oh, thank goodness! They're going through my entire sheaf like there's no tomorrow. It's been totally bonkers. Eraser, I'm sorry. I think I need your help. Will you please help me? You bet. Let's get to work. Take your time. You're doing great. We can always fix it. The next day, woohoo! The rainforest. Hooray! Kumbaya! Oh, we had the straightest lines for sure. You know, you make a very fine point. Sure, I like correcting, but what I really want to do is paint. Thanks, partner. Anytime. All right, and that's the end of the story. So I really like how all the different characters, they had, there was a lot of opportunities for exclamation marks and question marks to have you practice changing your voice. I also was thinking about this character, Eraser, and what the author might be wanting me to learn or what the message might be for her readers. And I was thinking, and that the eraser she was feeling like she wasn't special, but and that she couldn't do anything. But at the end, what do you think? I think you're right. I think she learned that we all are special in our own way, and everyone can do something. There's something that everyone is able to make to there is something that everyone is able to do that helps them and makes them unique and special. Okay. So your job now is to find a story that you really love and read a few pages from your story and record it using our Flipgrid, which is a little bit new for us, and enjoy. I'm excited to hear all of um, voices and hopefully practice changing those voices. All right, great job, everybody.